It's 3 a.m. in the morning and I'm about to meet with my two mates, Jack and Tanaki. And then we're going to hike up Mount Tod to watch the sunrise here in Sun Peaks. Should be like almost a 3-hour hike. And I think there's about 900 meters of elevation, so quite a lot. We're taking up the gravel road, so it's nice and easy, and maybe on the way down we will take a bike path, a trail, so it's a bit nicer. What's up, mate?
What's up?
Alright, Jack was a little bit late, but he made it. Welcome to the team, Jack.
Thank you
Jack,
very much. Proud to be here.
welcome. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
How's the cougar piss? Oh Jesus, we're almost there. Alright, almost 6 o'clock. We made it to the top of Tod Mountain. Took us maybe like 2.5 hours to get here. Was quite steep, but it was alright. What do you guys say?
It's pretty cool.
It was good fun.
It was fun.
It was good.
And now we're just waiting for the sun to rise. Might still take a while.
To get to the top, we were climbing, 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 and we had to fight it, fight it, fight it. Then we started flying, flying, flying. We had to try it, try it, try it. Then we started rising, 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 and we couldn't hide it, hide it, hide it. Now watching the sunrise, we're watching the sunrise, we're watching the sunrise, we're watching the sunrise.
The view from up here is just so amazing. It's really good. Like you can see all around. Tod Mountain is the highest point in this area. So you just really get a 360 view. We took shelter behind these trees, so there's no wind. Yeah, it's quite windy. So yeah, that's basically it from up here. We're going to walk down now. Hopefully it won't take as long as before, but it's definitely going to be less scary. On the way up, it was really dark. At one point we heard a noise in the bush and freaked out a little bit, but it was alright. The stars were really nice. Yeah. Hey guys, you have anything to say?
It was dope.
Do it. Sunrise hike.
Yeah, definitely worth it. Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No regrets.
We made it. No major crashes, no injuries. The idea to go into the water and just have a plunge, and we did. How did you like it, guys?
Oh my god.
It was very, very cold, but it was
Very
worth
cold.
it.
Yeah, it was pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
better than the morning coffee. Feeling awake now. It's actually pretty cool walking here because this is where we came down with the bikes and it's super steep. It's like, why would we do that? They're home.
You just show your GoPro at me. Oh. You alright?
Yeah, I'm not good.
Is the GoPro good?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we made it to the bottom again. Crazy. It's 10:20 now, and we started at 3 in the morning. So we basically have been hiking for like 7 hours now. Yeah. Hey guys, any last words?
And last word.
The
Best day of my life.
best day ever. The downhill did suck though.
Yeah, downhill sucks, but at
like
least like the cold
always.
plunge.
The cold
good.
plunge was so good.
The sunrise was good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing. Guys, you should do it when you're in Sun Peaks. Go for a sunrise hike. It's really good. You don't have to go all the way to Tod Mountain. You could also go to the top of the world. It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Worth it.
Recommend. Thanks for watching, guys. And I don't know. Just leave something in the comments, you know. Like if you would go up there as well or not.
Sounds good.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.